Okay guys, something interesting has come across my desk today, and it's from Trade the Pool. That's the sister company of the 5%ers prop firm. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I kind of highlighted that the 5%ers were doing some competitions where you can join each week, and there's some like 100 prizes up for grabs. Well, this is being pushed over onto Trade the Pool, except theirs is slightly different. Because Trade the Pool is exactly it. It's a collective trading, but it's based on stock shares, not Forex, kind of where I sit. I'm not a very good stock trader, by the way, boys and girls. But essentially, when it flicks over, what they're going to do, now this starts on the 16th, the 9:15. So go on the website. I'll drop a link in the comments and the description below. And you'll be able to take part in this competition. Now, it's free to enter, doesn't cost you anything. And the idea of it is everybody's going to trade the QQQ or the NASDAQ. And the idea is to increase it by 5% over the course of 3 days. Now, everybody's involved with it, hence Trade the Pool. And what that means is everybody that's involved gets a prize as long as the collective does more than 5%. So you need to do like sort of 5.1, then everybody wins. Now you can also jump into that Discord. There's also prizes for those that are active in Discord, because the prizes are going to be kind of, how do I put it, tiered. So the one who does the most is going to get the most. The one who does the least gets the least, sort of thing. But the more you get involved, the better it is. Okay. And that's, well, there it is there. So 16th to the 6th, Monday through Wednesday, and you get your prize. Okay. Now, who are Trade the Pool? Well, that's a good question if you've never heard of them before. Well, it's this lot. All right. It's the sister company to the Fivers. Now, you can even go into that platform and try it for free as well. You just click here and do a free trial, and you get a view of how they operate. And it's based on shares. Okay. So it is a different type of trading. And it's also based on sort of day trading shares. Okay. So there we go. And then there's your various different bits and pieces, one thing and another. It's a different concept. Now, why do I like it? Well, one, it doesn't cost you anything to do it, and it's a bit of fun. But there's a lot of people out there that just like, I don't know, they might want to trade Tesla. But you can't do it in the prop world. And if you're looking to buy Tesla shares, they are incredibly expensive. So something like Trade the Pool can help you. So you can still trade the product. It's relatively cheap and still get your payouts as well. Okay. Now, when you're looking at the prop industry, it was the same. So you've got access to bigger funds with limited money. What you've got to do, though, is know what you're doing. If you go into it and you can't trade, it's not a road to riches. But what it can be is training wheels to put you on that road. And that's kind of why I like the industry. Now, of all the companies that's out there, there's only really the Fivers that I have any time for. Why? I've been out for dinner with them. I know the guys personally, and they've got a very good moral compass. And the chap who runs Trade the Pool, Michael, I've been out for dinner with him as well, and he's a top guy. So when he's put this together, he's done it for the love of the job rather than getting something back. Hence, it's free. So try it. Got nothing to lose. Why not? Catch you soon.